or gorilla? Who is the stronger animal? First, let's look at what makes a polar bear a monster of an animal. Polar bears are immensely powerful creatures. Typical adult male weighs between 900 to 1,600 pounds and can measure up to 10 feet in length. Their physical strength is particularly evident in their forelimbs and shoulders, which are incredibly muscular. Polar bears have been known to exert a push force of about 1,200 pounds. This enables them to break through ice several inches thick in order to reach their prey, such as